Oh, I think there's another one. But they're in the way. So she's moving.
What are you doing, little babies? Good girl, baby.
Well, that's not a good girl because she had him on your bed.
Wow.
Look at all that fluid.
Oh,
Dark spot is
still
all
okay. I like Bean. And more.
I'm gonna wash it. I don't think it comes out very well. It's probably stained.
Well, I can always put something over it. It's not blood, but there's a little bit of blood on this.
But it's... No, it was already stained before, remember?
No, that was blood.
You sure?
She slept right here overnight. Wait, she had her babies right over here overnight.
She started having them almost as soon as I woke up because I saw her just licking the first one.
The black.
And that doesn't take very long. Well, it takes like 10 minutes, but
Well, let's leave him. Let's make him a comfy bed soon after school.
No, she's fine with it. And it's not school, it's the weekend.
Oh, yeah.
Too cool for school.
Oh. So, we're gonna bring down I'm gonna bring down the baby. The thing she needs for her babies.
Are you going to put her on your bed?
Yes.
Hopefully she'll have the babies in that box. Look at them. That one right there that I'm pretending to touch, that little claw, that's from a calico, so my dad's getting the calico kitty. So Bean did have babies with a black cat. That one is most indefinitely a girl. The calico. If it's a boy, that's rare. You want to know why? Well, I'm going to tell you anyway, even if you don't. Because they need 2 Y genes. The cats need 2 Y genes to be a calico, because you need the calico genes, the calico chromosomes. You need 2 Y chromosomes, and that creates a girl. But if a mutation happens and an extra X was added to those 2 Ys, you can get a male calico, but it's unlikely. I don't think they live very long.
Okay. Show me where you're gonna place it. Right over here. You can't touch them.
I know.
So we're gonna place it right over here. No, you guys are gonna be here all the time. So if
we're gonna have to move this covers, but
that little baby there's squeaking.
Look how cute there.
That's him.
Aww.
Squeaker.
It's gonna be a bit of a mess.
Yeah, that'd be a good one, Squeaker.
Can't wait. I can't wait.
We'll never lay in this, but
just put it on the bed and see if she will. She will.
If she does go on
and Tiffany, you are allowed to touch cats' babies, because they don't eat babies. Unlike rats. You're not supposed.
Oh, but you're not supposed to touch them.
I know you're not supposed
They're
to.
Too fragile.
I know.
They're too fragile. Like they could break a bone with you just poking them. Yeah.
Yeah, Bean will probably move into this box.
Anybody have a dressing gown down here or something? Because I'm here, freezing. But Bean took it.
No, that one has pee on. Oh, peed himself. Yeah. She did have babies with the black cat.
So thanks the black cat.
No, don't thank the black cats. You shouldn't have had babies with her. But
right here, it's fine.
But they're super cute.
I don't care.
Well, the adults will care.
I have to tell the adults.
I know, Noah's telling.
Why? Because they haven't.
Well, that's Bean's kittens.